Hi, Blaze from QuickBooks here with another Payroll 101 lesson, this time about paying the payroll taxes. Let's take a look back at that simple paycheck we've been looking at. Now, there are some portions of the paycheck that will be due based upon the filing type of the company and the $100,000 rule. If the company is a monthly filer, it will be due by the 15th of the next month. If it's a semi-weekly filer, then that depends on the paycheck date. If the paycheck is dated for a Saturday through a Tuesday, then it's due by that Friday. If it's dated on a Wednesday through a Friday, then it's due by the following Wednesday. So in this case, since September 9th is a Friday, that means it's due by Wednesday, September 14th, 2022. Now, regardless of being a monthly or a semi-weekly filer, if you accrue taxes of $100,000 or more on any day during a deposit period, you must pay the taxes by the next business day. Moving on to the states, some states follow the federal guidelines, like California, while others have their own schedules that they follow on, like Delaware. Next, any quarterly payments, such as California Employment Training Tax, ETT, and California State Unemployment Insurance, are due by the end of the month following the quarter. So paychecks dated January 1st through March 31st are due by April 30th. Lastly, Federal Unemployment Tax Act, FUTA withholdings, is due annually by January 31st or quarterly if you accrue more than $500. I know that's a lot to take care of, but fortunately, QuickBooks Full Service Payroll will take care of all of the federal and state's filings for you, so long as you have automated taxes and forms turned on under payroll settings, and all your setup is complete. Do you think you can tell me whether the answer is 1 or 2? Take a moment to think about what we just went over and decide which answer is correct. If you think you're ready, let's continue on. The correct answer is 2. The employer and employee portions of the federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare, as well as California income tax and state disability insurance, are due by October 15th. California Employment Training Tax, ETT, and unemployment insurance are due by October 30th. Lastly, the Federal Unemployment Tax Act withholdings, aka FUTA, is due by January 30th, 2023. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks so much and have a great day.